Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are solving the MCQs of the physics. Topic is physics and branches of the physics. So dear students, look at the board. पहला क्वेश्चन आपको जो नजर आ रहा है, the study which are related to the matter and energy and their mutual relationship is called chemistry, physical chemistry, physics or biology. So from a definition it was very much clear that basically the branch of the science which deals with the energy, matter and their interrelations, that one is known as physics. So option B, C is the correct answer. Now question number 2, the study of the motion and physical effects which influence the motion. यानी फिजिक्स की वो ब्रांच जिसमें हम मोशन के बारे में पढ़ें और मोशन के इन्फ्लुएंस के बारे में पढ़ें, तो उस ब्रांच को क्या कहते हैं. सो द फोर ऑप्शंस अगेन आर गिवन: द साउंड, मैकेनिक्स, प्लाज्मा फिजिक्स एंड एटॉमिक फिजिक्स. सो नाम से जाहिर है बेसिकली दिस ब्रांच इज अबाउट द साउंड और इसको एक्वेस्टिक्स भी कहते हैं. ऑप्शन A is a correct answer. So the next question, that one is the branch of the physics in which we study the thermal energy possessed by the molecules of the matter and its use when it flows from one body to another. तो फिजिक्स की ऐसी ब्रांच जो थर्मल एनर्जी, वर्ड थर्म मीन्स हीट. सो फोर ऑप्शंस आर गिवन: molecular physics, sound, solid state physics, heat and thermodynamics. So basically this branch is concerned with the heat and thermodynamics. So option D is the correct answer. Now the question number 4, the study of the physical aspects of the audible sound energy. Remember one thing, the sounds are acoustic. This one is a branch of the physics in which we study about the sound, its types, its production, its aspects, its types, its audible or ultrasonic sound or infrasonic sound, whatever be the knowledge which is related to the sound is known as branch acoustics or sound. So option A is a correct answer. So the question number 5, the study of the matter in highly ionized state is called. So this one is also the fourth state of the matter. Highly ionized means when the electrons are removed from the nucleus. So that bare nucleus, study about that bare nucleus is known as plasma state or ionized state. So four options are given: nuclear physics, plasma physics, solid state physics and light. So plasma physics is the correct answer. Now when you go through the question number 6, the study of the motion of the bodies without reference of the external force is called. So remember one thing, we've done that the mechanics is the branch of the physics which deals with the motion of the objects with or without reference of the force. But when we talk about the branch of the physics in which we study about the motion of the bodies without reference of the force, that's known as the kinematics, and with references of force when we talk about the motion, that's known as the dynamics. So in this question, the study of the motion of the bodies without reference of the external force, that's why the option B is the correct answer. So when you talk about the question number 7, the study of the properties of the isolated nuclei of the atom is called. When you talk about the isolated nuclei, means all the nuclei are alone. So only about the nucleus, that means the nuclear physics. So four options again given: nuclear physics, atomic and molecular physics, plasma physics, solid state physics. So the two options are given A and C, but in a For the isolated nuclei, we have to go through the nuclear physics, and for ionized state, then we have to talk about the plasma physics. So in this question, the options A is a correct answer. The question number 8, the study of the properties of the atoms and the molecules is called, very clear from the question, that one is known as atomic and molecular physics. Question number 9, the study of the specific properties of the matter in a solid form. When we talk about the solid form, then the branch of the physics which is concerned with the solid state is known as solid state physics. The question number 10, the knowledge of heavenly bodies and of the matter energy, the knowledge of the heavenly bodies and interaction of the matter and energy is in a space. This one is known as geophysics, astrophysics, biophysics, plasma physics, which one? So when we talk about the heavenly bodies, that means we are talking about the stars, we are talking about the planets, we are talking about the galaxies. So that is known as astrophysics. So option B is a correct answer.